Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. So let's talk about how to use Agoda Deals of the Day feature. So let me tell you guys, Agoda's Deals of the Day refers to a special 24-hour flash sales or unlisted mystery rooms offering significant discounts, often up to 30% to 50% off at participating properties. So to use this feature, first you have to find them. Open your Agoda app and then tap the Deals tab at the bottom of the screen to see active flashes. Now the next what you can do is, when searching for specific properties, look for a specialized room tier specifically named Deal of the Day. Now, to book a Deal of the Day room, what you have to do is enter your location and travel dates into the search bar, and then look for properties that display the yellow Today's Deal or Secret Deals tag. Now, scroll down the room options for that hotel until you see the Deal of the Day rate plan. Now, since Deal of the Day rooms are already heavily discounted, you may also be able to stack active Agoda promo codes at checkout. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.